Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are making the famous and popular Thai-style steamed fish with lime. Since Malaysia and Thailand are neighboring countries, obviously Thai food is making significant influence to us. So Thai food is no stranger to us and I love making them at home. Okay, let's start by making sure the fish is scaled and gutted well. Then score the fish like this. Today I'm using sea bass or Siakap. We are going to season the fish with some salt. Cut off the top half of the lemongrass and smash with the back of your knife to release the aroma. Stuff the lemongrass in the belly of the fish. Steam the fish over rapidly boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on your fish size, mine take about 14 minutes. So while the fish steam, let's make the sauce in a saucepan. Heat up 300 ml water. So we are adding 1 Maggi chicken stock cubes and 1 teaspoon grated palm sugar. Let it dissolve completely. Then add 3 teaspoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon white sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons lime juice. Once the taste is delicious, add 50 grams minced garlic and chopped bird-eyes chili or chili padi. Once the steamed fish is cooked, throw away the excess water. Just before pouring the sauce, add the chopped coriander. Mix it well. Now you can pour the sauce onto the steamed fish. Garnish with coriander and fresh lime and it's done! Ready to enjoy with warm fluffy rice. So thanks so much for cooking with us today and I hope you enjoy our meal today. Thumbs up and subscribe always helps to support our channel. So I see you in my next video. Bye!